Playing gamelan is very easy and entertaining. I would like to conclude my remarks by expressing the hope that the 4 days of workshop will bring about a piece of culture of Indonesia to you. And at the same time, the workshop will foster the collaboration between the Embassy of Indonesia and the University of San Fransisco de Quito.
It's a huge privilege for us to have you here. As you mentioned, this is not the first time that we do events together. We have been doing several events, and it's an honor for us to have you here. And we would like to continue doing more things. More things because Indonesia is a very special country. And it has a lot of similarities with us. It's a mega diverse country, has amazing fauna and flora, and beautiful forests, and a lot of fishes. And the diversity of cultures that you have, we also have that. So we share many things in common. And today we gathered here to learn about Gamelan. To the students that are going to be in the workshop, enjoy it, really get into the culture. We are a liberal arts institution, and this is very important for us. So science is important for us, studying economics is important for us, law is important for us, but it's very important that we get to know other cultures and really embrace the liberal arts in this way. So very welcome, and thank you for being here.
Sedangkan